We visited Deerhurst Resort, located in Huntsville, Ontario in 2025. The room we stayed in was located in their Lakeside Lodge building. We'll show you the room and share our thoughts on it. We are in room 106, which is their studio-style room situated on the ground floor. The room is tastefully decorated, clean, and perfect for a couple. The rustic wood furniture in the room gave it that cozy Muskoka feel. One of the unique highlights was this kitchenette, which was very well stocked with kitchenware. There are also modern kitchen appliances, which is convenient if you're choosing to bring or store food in the room. This building has larger units, up to 3 bedrooms, so this kitchen setup in those units would be great for coming with the family. You also find a coffee maker in the room. At the entrance of the room, there is a large closet for jackets and boots. The bathroom is located to the right of the entrance. It's a good-sized bathroom with a deep bathtub. The bathroom was very clean and stocked with good toiletries. Let's take a look at the view. So we're located on the ground floor. Our view faced the front of the building and was like a patio area with Muskoka chairs. Overall, we really enjoyed our room. Deerhurst is an excellent place to visit in the wintertime, especially close to Christmas time, where you'll see beautiful lighting and decorations. We hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.